I want to do something to get arrested though. Like, I'm trying to...
You already did. That's why you're sitting right here. That's why you're sitting right
shove
here.
a stick up your... If I get 6 to jump you and beat the fuck out of you and shut some shit up your bitch. Shut the fuck talking to me. You going to hell. Yeah, right.
That's like 9 right there.
Shut the fuck up.
Like 9.
Y'all arrested a girl for no reason. Grown ass niggas kicking me in my head. I hope you get by the gayest niggas. Bruh, God, please protect me and keep me from just keep me from tweaking. Amen. Keep me from tweaking. Amen. I will pay all your shit, and I'm sorry.
You good, bro? I'm not tripping. I'm trying to figure out what I did.
What did you do? What did any of us do? We didn't do nothing.
You gonna figure that out.
But they got the video camera footage, so we're good at the end of the day. Nah, but here's the thing. They got the video camera footage. We're good. The lady in the red suit who worked here said she saw them kicking me in my head. We're overly good. And Vito got her number. We overly good.
Bro, I'm chilling. I'm just trying to get
all these weak as don't got no hoe to go home to. I feel it though. Actually, I don't. You a bitch. You a little punk. Chicken legs. The you little. Bro, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm mad as bro. Oh, you took my phone.
494. I know. I have your phone.
Why are you taking my phone? You said I could keep it for numbers.
You can, but you can't have it back there.
Man, I've been to jail before. I have my phone all the time.
Cobb County is different. Cobb County is different.
You said what?
Cobb County is different.
I've been to Cobb County, babes.
Oh.
I'm not new to this. But y'all are horrible people, by the way. I literally got in trouble for doing nothing. But it's okay, because good thing there's cameras. So y'all are all going to jail. I hope they revoke your shit, and I hope you go broke. And I hope your whole family goes broke, and y'all all broke. You're a horrible person. You're sending innocent women to jail. Like, I just performed at that shit. And then I got slammed to the ground, kicked in the head, and going to my dressing room. Like, you're going to jail overly, gang. Andrew White, oh, it's over with. You're done. You're cooked. All y'all cooked. Y'all will pay for this shit. No, like, actually pay. Like, I got a good lawyer. Y'all got the right bitch. I'm gonna tell you that one.